If your kitchen sink is backing up because of a clogged drain downstream, you gotta act fast to avoid a total mess. So, here's the deal. First, try using a plunger on the sink to get things moving. Make sure you cover the overflow hole so you get good pressure. If that does not work, grab a drain snake or a wire hanger and gently push it down the pipe to break up the clog. Avoid using harsh chemicals because they can damage your pipes and are bad for the environment. Sometimes the clog's caused by grease, so pour hot water mixed with dish soap down the drain to melt that gunk away. Another handy trick is baking soda followed by vinegar. Let it fizz for 10 to 15 minutes before flushing with hot water. Keep a wet-dry vacuum nearby if you want to suck out standing water or loosen debris. And remember, regular maintenance like running boiling water once a week can keep your drain clear and prevent backups from happening again. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a kitchen sink backup is ignoring slow drainage signs until it becomes a flood. Catch it early by paying attention. Another issue is using chemical drain cleaners too often. They might clear minor clogs but can eat away at your pipes over time. Switch to natural remedies or manual tools instead. Lastly, not checking for blockages in the P-trap or further down the line is common. Sometimes the clog is way past the sink drain, so removing and cleaning the trap helps a lot. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work from people who need reliable pros for home fixes and upgrades.